Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can track the YouTube tag ranking because your YouTube tags are the real long tail keywords which brings traffic to your video. So you should have an eye on your YouTube tag ranking, and this plugin help you to track, or you can view the ranking of your YouTube tags just from the YouTube dashboard. So all you need to do is just go to your YouTube dashboard and pick up or select what is the YouTube video that you want to see the tag ranking. Select that video, just click on edit, and here you can see a new icon for taking you to the new tab, and this you can see only if you install that plugin. Just click on it, it will take you to this info and settings page, and this green color that you can notice here is the actual ranking of this video for this keyword. So this keyword is tracking tool for affiliate marketing. Let me go and put in YouTube. So it shows that 6. Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, this is the video that you are seeing right here. So this is really an amazing feature where you can see the tag ranking of your video, and if there are some tags which is underperforming, or you didn't see any ranking, then you should need to concentrate on that particular tag. So you just have a look at that. If you don't see the ranking of your video for any of the tag, then it means it's not shown in the search result, YouTube search result, for the given tag. So which means either you need to optimize your video by putting that particular tag in the title or description, or you need to remove the tag because this tag is not at all bringing traffic. Then why you should use this tag? You should think why you should really use this tag on your tag. You can make use of some other tag that was related to your video, and that will bring you more traffic. So here you can see that how to create affiliate multi-link. This is not so important for my video, so I can remove this one, and I can go ahead and add some related tags from the suggestion box. So I can track how to track affiliate links. So here you can see that it's already ranking. So if I just go and add that in my tags section, this YouTube will improve my ranking. So that's how you can make use of this YouTube tag ranking option that is available in the plugin. So that's all about this video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.